Hi everyone, welcome back. This is lesson 25. So let's continue learning Amharic. So cold is ቀዝቃዛ. Cold, ቀዝቃዛ. Okay, so try to say it is cold. ቀዝቃዛ ነው. ቀዝቃዛ ነው. How would you say it was cold? ቀዝቃዛ ነበር. ቀዝቃዛ ነበር. Do you remember how you say yesterday? ትላንት. ትላንት. Yesterday is ትላንት. So now try to say it was cold yesterday. So in Amharic is going to be yesterday cold it was. ትላንት ቀዝቃዛ ነበር. ትላንት ቀዝቃዛ ነበር. Water is ውሃ. ውሃ. Okay, so try to say cold water. ቀዝቃዛ ውሃ. ቀዝቃዛ ውሃ. So try to say I would like some cold water. So cold water I would like. ቀዝቃዛ ውሃ እፈልጋለሁ. ቀዝቃዛ ውሃ እፈልጋለሁ. So ask someone, do you have cold water? ቀዝቃዛ ውሃ አለክ? To a man and to a woman. ቀዝቃዛ ውሃ አለሽ? ቀዝቃዛ ውሃ አለሽ? To a woman. Hot is ሞቃት. Okay, hot is ሞቃት. Try to say it is hot now. Now is አሁን. It is hot now. አሁን ሞቃት ነው. It was cold yesterday. ትላንት ቀዝቃዛ ነበር. ትላንት ቀዝቃዛ ነበር. The water is very hot. ውሃው በጣም ሞቃት ነው. ውሃው በጣም ሞቃት ነው. How would you say time in a broader sense? ጊዜ. ጊዜ. If you are more specific, you say o'clock or ሰዓት. Okay, so last time is ባለፈው ጊዜ. In the past time or last time is ባለፈው ጊዜ. ባለፈው ጊዜ. Okay, sometimes to shorten that people say just ባለፈው. Okay, and they drop ጊዜ sometimes, yeah. So how would you say she was? ነበረች. ነበረች. He was ነበር. He was ነበር. It is considered as masculine in Amharic, so any conjugation that are related to it and he are kind of the same. So it was ነበር. He was ነበር. It's the same. He is no. It is no. Also they are the same. Okay, so he was ነበር. She was ነበረች. So she was in አዲስ. አዲስ አበባ ውስጥ ነበረች. ውስጥ is in, but you can drop that. So simply አዲስ አበባ ነበረች. She was in አዲስ. አዲስ አበባ ነበረች. Do you remember how you would say last time? ባለፈው ጊዜ. You can drop ጊዜ, simply ባለፈው. So try to say last time she was in አዲስ. ባለፈው አዲስ አበባ ነበረች. How would you say she is? ነች. She is Ethiopian. ኢትዮጵያዊ ነች. Today is ዛሬ. Today is ዛሬ. So try to say today she is in Nairobi. ዛሬ ናይሮቢ ነች. ዛሬ ናይሮቢ ነች. How would you say last Monday? Monday is ሰኞ ሰኞ last Monday ባለፈው ሰኞ last Monday ባለፈው ሰኞ he was in Nairobi ናይሮቢ ነበር or if you want to mention the subject explicitly እሱ ናይሮቢ ነበር but as we discussed before you can drop እሱ the subject it's not necessary so now try to say last Monday he was in Nairobi ባለፈው ሰኞ ናይሮቢ ነበር ባለፈው ሰኞ ናይሮቢ ነበር try to say last Sunday she was in Dubai Sunday is እሁድ ባለፈው እሁድ ዱባይ ነበረች ባለፈው እሁድ ዱባይ ነበረች now she is in Addis አሁን አዲስ አበባ ነች አሁን አዲስ አበባ ነች now he is in Beijing አሁን አዲስ አበባ ነው or more explicitly አሁን እሱ አዲስ አበባ ነው now try to ask where is she የት ነች where is የት she is ነች የት ነች try to ask where is he የት ነው so how would you say my sister የኔ እህት sister is እህት የኔ is my እኔ is I so to convert that to my you add ye sound in front of it so it's going to be የኔ from እኔ it goes to የኔ so my sister where is she or simply where is my sister የኔ እህት የት ነች የኔ እህት የት ነች I don't know is አላውቅም I don't know አላውቅም አላውቅም kid is ልጅ a child or kid ልጅ so try to do you remember how you'd say she was ነበረች so try to say she was a kid ልጅ ነበረች so from our previous lesson how would you say before በፊት or sometimes we sandwich between ከ and በፊት so for example 2 is ሁለት so before 2 o'clock is ከሁለት ሰዓት በፊት ከሁለት ሰዓት በፊት so try to say before she was a kid በፊት ልጅ ነበረች before she was a kid now she's a grown-up person so in Amharic to say a grown-up person we say a big person big is ትልቅ how would you say little or small ትንሽ big is ትልቅ so how would you say big person or a grown-up person ትልቅ ሰው so human or person is ሰው ትልቅ ሰው a big person or grown-up person she's a grown-up woman or she's a grown-up person ትልቅ ሰው ነች before she was a kid በፊት ልጅ ነበረች she's a grown-up person now አሁን ትልቅ ሰው ነች